Dekker Fraser is a veteran Silicon Valley marketer who has worked with numerous tech companies, including Sony PlayStation, Google, backed Rocket Lawyer, and Venture, backed Webgility. With over 30 courses and extensive marketing management experience, Dekker Fraser is the ideal choice for anyone who wants to learn digital marketing from an expert. As the former global product marketing and brand manager for Sony PlayStation, vice president of marketing for a Google accelerator startup, and senior product marketing manager for a Series, a startup, Dekker has a wealth of knowledge and experience in the field of digital marketing. He is an accomplished Udemy instructor with an impressive 4.5 Instructor Rating, 10,050 reviews, and 247,298 students. In addition to his professional experience, Dekker has an MBA in marketing from the Kellogg School of Management and is trained at Columbia University, by Norwegian Business School, and Mount Allison University. He is also an academic and volunteer with experience serving as a university MBA program advisor, college marketing lecturer for digital marketing's business analytics, division director and VP of membership for Toastmasters International, and the board of directors member for a charity. But why should you choose Dekker Fraser's courses on Udemy? Well, with courses selling at discounted prices, you'll have access to a wealth of knowledge and experience that will help you change your life, fulfill your dreams, and become a successful digital marketer. Dekker Fraser is passionate about leading his students towards success, and he's waiting to help you on your journey to becoming a digital marketing professional. In today's fast-paced digital world, there's never been a better time to invest in your future and enhance your skills. By enrolling in Dekker Fraser's courses on Udemy, you'll be taking the first step towards achieving your goals and becoming a successful digital marketer. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Udemy today and start your journey towards success.